If your phone's original screen is missing, the Touch IC is also missing, and your iOS system is version 15.016.1.2, you can use the i6s to repair the original color function after unbinding. Select the iCloud app. The i6 second programmer needs to enter a password after connecting to the phone and trust. Only need to wait about 10 seconds. The i6s will read the original color information. You will need to repair the original color screen by connecting the i6 second programmer and clicking the Recover LCM button. After the data is written, the screen can be installed to the phone test function.